In this video, I'll show you how to create a wipe compare transition in DaVinci Resolve. This effect works best when both clips are identical, except for any color changes you've made. First, move your timeline playhead to the point where you want the transition to begin. Hold Ctrl and press B to cut both clips at that position. Delete the beginning of the after clip and delete the end of the before clip. Then, place the after clip directly on the same video track as the before clip, so they line up perfectly. Next, open the Effects panel, type Wipe into the search bar, and drag the wipe transition to the edit point where the two clips meet. If DaVinci Resolve doesn't allow you to add the transition, it usually means the clips don't have enough extra frames at their start or end. In that case, trim your edits to leave some handle frames on both sides. Once the transition is applied, select it. Then in the inspector, set the angle to 90 degrees and the border to 5. You can also adjust the duration of the transition by clicking and dragging its edge on the timeline. That's it. You've now created a clean wipe compare effect in DaVinci Resolve.